Hello friends, this is Anu from Tech Cassette. In today's video, we are going to see what are the basic equipments needed for creating good YouTube videos. Well, this is for a beginner's guide. To begin with, you need a smartphone. Yes, a smartphone will do the job. If you have a digital camera, need not be DSLR or a mirrorless camera, a compact point-and-shoot camera or a smartphone. These both will do. Next, you need to focus on a tripod. So you need to mount your smartphone onto a tripod. So are you able to see this? This is a mini tripod. You can also get a monopod or a gorilla pod, whichever suits your purpose. So do some research on that. I bought a Simpex tripod that can hold up to 5 to 7 kgs. So invest on something that is good and value for your money. Third thing is a good microphone. If you do not use a microphone, the audio will not come good. So I'm using Mona microphone, which is a condenser mic. Its archival is Boya. The Boya is also a very popular condenser mic. So I bought Mona and I'm using it since the last 7 months, and it can be used along with smartphone as well as with a digital camera. So after using this, you need to ensure that your audio doesn't have noise in that. So if you have noise, you need to reduce it. So you can use a separate tool called Audacity. This is a freeware. Using that, you can edit your audio and make it better. If you're using a smartphone, you have another app called Dolby On. So it is available for iOS as well as for Android users. I have used it, and it also produces good results. After audio, there's another thing that matters, that is lighting. So are you able to see the lighting? See my glasses? I'm using a ring light. So initially I used to create videos without these kind of lighting, and so since I was a beginner, I used the normal tube lights and the results were not that good. So after doing a lot of other research, I found that this ring light comes handy. It costs around 300 to 400 bucks. So I got it for 230 to 40 Indian rupees. Are you able to see the background? So it's a little dim. I use a different light. My brother gifted me that light. You can change colors depending on what your environment and mood. So I set the background like this. I used a ring light, and with this I'm able to get this effect. Now I'll switch on the normal lighting. Just see how the effect changes. Now are you able to see the result? Lighting definitely matters. If you are trying to improvise your video making, there's another term that is very popular among YouTubers or vloggers, the bokeh, the background blur. So the person is in focus and the background is a little blurred. So while creating videos, this parameter also takes importance. You can also create videos without any background blur. So if you're using a smartphone, you'll not get a blur. So there are some tricks to get background blur for you while using a smartphone. Well, I don't recommend that, but you can still get a background blur using an external lens. So in my previous videos, I have used it for creating a background blur, but the results are not that great. That's why I upgraded to a mirrorless camera. I'm using Panasonic's Lumix G85. So this is the first video I'm recording using that. Those were the basic equipments that you need to create good YouTube videos. After creating all those, you definitely need an editing software. So editing software definitely matters. I bought Wondershare Filmora. So after getting that, my editing capabilities also improved. Investing in editing software is also a must. So I hope these were the basic equipments that you need to create a decent video for YouTube. So I hope this video helps you. With this, I wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Until then, this is Anup signing off. Bye bye.